Hi, everyone. I'm Matt Kelly, IPC's Chief Technologist, inviting you to attend APEX EXPO 2022 to be held at the San Diego Convention Center in California, January 22nd through 27th. Now, due to ongoing COVID concerns, we are now accepting virtual abstracts and paper submissions, but hope to see you there live at the show to share and reconnect. We're excited to announce our new expanded award offerings for the show as well. We have 4 categories. First, our Best of Conference, which recognizes the top 3 papers representing the very best APEX has to offer. Our Next Gen Best Paper category recognizes next generation industry technologists for their work. Our Best Student Research Paper for enrolled students, and our Best Technical Poster of Session.
Good day, my name is Dr. Bev Christian. I'm the chair of the Technical Program Committee for IPC APEX 2022. Before you can see the pictures of the other members of the committee this year. And the picture beside my own is that of Dr. Stan Rack, the co-chair for the committee. You'll be hearing from him shortly. On this slide, you'll see a image of the page from the IPC website where it talks about the call for participation. We're looking for abstracts to be submitted or ideas about professional development courses. You can use the link shown at the top of the page here to submit your ideas. Thank you.
Hi all, conference co-chair Dr. Stan Rack here. The 2022 APEX Technical Conference will highlight the expanded Technical Program Committee's focus on the future by dedicating a track to the Factory of the Future implementation, addressing the industry-leading fields listed at the right, including Industry 4.0 and the digital transformation, along with additional sessions on enabling future technologies and meeting extreme requirements. We will also leverage the expanded Technical Program Committee with our mainstream sessions on PCB fabrication, circuit design and component technologies, quality reliability test and inspection, assembly processes, electronics materials, and conscientious engineering. The abstracts for papers are due by August 6th. And the proposals for professional development courses are due by July 16th. Other important timing is listed in this slide, along with a link for the conference's call for participation where you can submit your abstract or course proposal. We are looking forward to hearing from you. In conclusion, Matt, Bev, and myself thank you for your attention and hope to see you in January at San Diego for IPC APEX EXPO 2022.